Hello and welcome to another video. Today it's raining again and we're back in the garage. We're going to make a start on cleaning this gearbox up. Now I wonder if that would be a bit more stable the other way, so it's lengthways. Okay, so I haven't gone too crazy with the cleaning, mainly because I could end up wasting my time cleaning it all, painting it all, doing all that kind of stuff, and then fitting it and it being completely knackered. So I don't want to waste my time. I'm just going to clean it up so we're not getting covered in oil and grease. Next job is to clean in here, the bell housing, take the release bearing off, clean everything up, and make sure it's all okay. Now that has actually started to fail, that fork. It's split there. You might be able to tell. Split where the pin goes. This pin. Pushed through on that bit there, so that is no good. Better sweep that up before I tread it everywhere, and then we'll give it a quick clean in there with a bit of degreaser. Job's a good one. Okay, so I've been cleaning all this up, all in here, and I might need somebody's professional opinion on this. I've just noticed now as I'm starting to clean it up and mess about with the shaft. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can tell. Seems to be quite a bit of movement there. Now I'm not a gearbox specialist, but I'm assuming that that shouldn't move at all, that should be still. What it looks like to me is a similar problem that I've got with the gearbox that I've got already in the Land Rover. What I'm thinking is it worth putting this in the Land Rover, going to all that effort, and it rattling the same, or do I just send it off and get it repaired? The only issue is it's 600 quid that I don't want to spend. Plus side, if I do that, swap this for a rebuilt one, it's done. I don't have to go back to it, it's completely done and dusted, and they're guaranteed for 12 months. Yeah, so I think the gearbox swap is going to be put on hold until I can find out what to do with that. If you know anything about gearbox and you've seen this, let me know what you think I should do, because I think I should get it rebuilt before messing about putting a new one in, but before messing about putting this one in. Right, end of the video today. See you next time.